I am repeating the question. What is flexibility? What are the types of flexibility? And what are the methods to develop flexibility? Explain. So, write the answer. Flexibility is the range of movement. Flexibility is the range of movement of joints. Flexibility is the range of movement of joints. Next paragraph. There are two types of flexibility. There are two types of flexibility: active flexibility and dynamic passive flexibility. Active flexibility and passive flexibility. Active flexibility has two types: static flexibility and dynamic flexibility. Point out active flexibility, then the explanation. The ability of an individual to do the joint movement for a longer range. Active flexibility, the ability of an individual to do the joint movement for a longer range without any external help. Subpoint static flexibility. Subpoint static flexibility. Static flexibility is usually required. Static flexibility is usually required by a sports person when he remains in static position. When he or she remains in static position. Example: sitting, lying, etc. Subpoint 2 dynamic flexibility. Dynamic flexibility is needed. Dynamic flexibility is needed for walking and running. It's increased by static stretching. Next point, passive flexibility. Point number 2 or type 2. Passive flexibility, the ability to do joint movement with a greater range with an external help of partner. This flexibility, after full stop, this flexibility is largely determined by joint structure, stretchability of a muscle and ligament. To maintain flexibility, next paragraph, to maintain flexibility in games and sports, to maintain flexibility in games and sports, exercise should be done, stretching exercise should be done by following methods. Point number A, slow stretch and hold method. Slow stretch and hold method. An individual stretches his or her joint. An individual stretches his or her joint to maximum limit and hold it for a few seconds before returning to the initial phase. An individual stretches his or her joint to maximum limit and hold it for a few seconds before returning to the initial phase. Full stop. The holding period must be not more than 3 to 8 seconds. The holding period must be not more than 3 to 8 seconds. Method number 2 or point number B, ballistic method. BALLISTIC, ballistic method. In this method, the stretching exercises are done. In this method, the stretching exercises are done in a swing. So this is called the ballistic method. Full stop. A proper warm up should be done before this exercise. Full stop. Due to stretching of muscles, sorry, cut the line. This stretching will be done in a rhythmic way. Next and last method, point C, post isometric stretch method. In this method, muscles are contracted maximally for a few seconds. In this method, muscles are contracted maximally for a few seconds isometrically. Full stop. This method is based on the principle of proprio ceptive ceptive neuromuscular facilitation full stop. It gives very low resistance to that stretch full stop. The duration of the stretch should be increased up to 8 to 10 seconds and repeated 4 to 8 times for each muscles group. So today's question answer is completed. We will come to new topic with new question in our next class. Till then, goodbye. Stay safe, stay at home. Bye bye.